Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. Excited for the weekend. I have at least a couple of days off. Let's go over the agenda for today. The review for math is very similar to yesterday, just a little bit more in depth with, let's go, I'll show you really quick. Okay, see? It's still powers of 10, however, now we're going into decimals. So the place value of those digits after decimal. So the tenths, hundreds, and thousands. Remember that you have a THS at the end, okay? The only difference you're gonna see here is the 1/10. Remember that when a number is in the tenths place, it's not a whole number, it's part of a whole, meaning a fraction, okay? So here we're gonna put the 2, because our number is 7 and 284 thousandths. So it's going to be 7, the decimal here, 284. Okay, so up here we're supposed to write the place value of each of the numbers, and then down here we're actually writing the value of the number. So 7 times 1, obviously 7. 2 times 1/10 would be 2/10, because if you multiply a whole number times a fraction, you're going to have a fraction. And 2/10, even though it's written as decimal form, it is still a fraction, so you can convert 0.2 to 2/10. Same thing here. If you multiply 8 times 100ths, here you're going to have 0.08 to symbolize 8 hundredths. Here we would put 4, and here 0.004 to show 4 thousandths. Okay, let me just finish filling it in for you guys so you have an idea. Okay, that's pretty much how you would do this type of question. Let's move on to number 2. So here they're asking you for the value of the underlying digit. Now notice there's a decimal there, okay? So it's not 8,629, it's 8 and, remember the decimal, you would read it as the word and, 629 thousandths with a THS at the end. So basically you're looking for the value of the underlying digit. It's going to be in the tenths, right? Because it's the first digit after the decimal. Or 0.6. Okay, let's just make sure that's what they want. Yes, that's what they want. I thought they wanted a fraction, but no, they want the decimal form. When you want to number 3, same thing as number 1, it's just written differently for you. So here they give you the number. Notice how there are no whole numbers, so we jump into fractions right away. Here you're going to write 8 times 1/10, the 2 times 100, and the 7 times 1,000, 1 over 1,000. Okay, and that's pretty much all of them. The questions are going to look like the first 3. I want to go over them with you so you have an idea of what to expect. And that's pretty much it. Remember, today's Friday, so our day is pretty simple. We just have math and the rest are specials. Make sure you get your 45 minutes of iReady done by Sunday. I gave another 15 minutes of iReady today. If you want to pace yourself that way, great. If not, you can do your minutes however you please. Your special areas for today, only my homeroom. Remember, we have art, STEM lab, and PE. Make sure you click on all 3 links and see what assignments, if any, you have to turn into them, okay? Okay guys, have a great weekend, and we will chat again on Monday.